Hi, my name is Natalie, and I'm going to talk to you about getting an NP swab. NP stands for nasopharyngeal, which means in your nose. NP swabs tell the doctors a little bit more about what's happening inside your body so that we know a little bit more about how to help your body. An NP swab looks like this. It's small and plastic, and it's really bendy so that it can fit in anybody's nose, no matter what the size or shape of your nose. On the end, you'll see that has a little brush. The brush helps collect some of the boogers or mucus inside of your nose. After it comes out, it will tell the doctor a little bit more about what's happening inside your body. Lots of kids and grown-ups get NP swabs. Ayla Boo is even getting one today. Hi Ayla Boo, how are you doing today?
Hi Natalie, I'm a little bit, I'm a lot nervous.
Yeah.
But I'm glad I'm getting it.
And you know what? It's okay to feel nervous or scared because it's something you haven't done before.
Yeah.
Something else you might notice is that I'm wearing a mask.
Are you a superhero?
I'm not, but I can tell you the reason I'm wearing a mask is just to be a little bit extra careful to not spread germs.
Okay.
Some kids who have had nose swabs before have some good tips and tricks of what helps them to make it feel a little bit easier.
Okay.
So some kids like to breathe through their mouth, and some kids like to squeeze a stress ball.
Okay.
And some kids like to look at a screen or a tablet up above them, because one of your jobs will be to look up at the sky anyways, just like that.
Okay.
And so your most important job will be to look up at the sky and to stay as still as possible. Great job. And a lot of these tips and tricks can be easier if you practice them ahead of time, just like you're doing.
So Natalie, what's it gonna feel like?
Well, a lot of kids say that it feels tickly or a little bit strange, because we usually don't have things that far up our nose.
Speak for yourself. So Natalie, what's it gonna feel like?
A lot of kids say that it feels a little bit tickly and a little bit strange, because we usually don't have things that far up our nose.
And like, how long is it gonna take? And what if I need to like cough or sneeze or something?
Usually, a nose swab takes about 5 seconds per nostril, but they will be as quick as possible, and sometimes it just depends how long it takes to get the mucus or the boogers from your nose.
Okay.
And if you need to sneeze or cough, a lot of kids say that it helps if you're breathing in through your mouth, just like that, and some kids say that it helps them to hold their breath.
Okay.
Ayla Boo, your nurse is ready to come in to do your NP swab. You'll notice that they'll be wearing lots of equipment to help make sure that nobody spreads germs.
Ayla Boo, can I come in?
Oh, yes.
Hi, I'm your nurse. I'm going to help you with your swab today.
Okay.
All right. So your job is to stay still
Yes.
and look up at the stars.
Got it.
Okay.
And squeeze the baseball.
Would you like me to count to 3?
Yes, please.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Great. Staying still. We're almost on the first one. Okay, now the second side. Great job staying still. And done.
Thank you.
Thanks for staying so still.
Ayla Boo, you're all done. I heard you did such a great job.
Yeah, I'm pretty much a superstar.
Amazing. Air high five.